Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia Tablet Z, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, select Apps at the top right corner and click on Settings. Now you need to scroll down, select Language and Input, then click on this icon over here next to your current keyboard and select Text Input Settings. Now tap on Word Suggestions and select I want to have my typos autocorrected. As you can see, automatic text correction is now on. You can always turn it off by clicking on Word Suggestions and selecting I don't want any help when writing, not even suggestions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!